Jai Shri Ram, everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So, friends, in today's video, I'm going to discuss with you my experience. Okay, how did I learn this language? Because a question asked by my friend that please Rita, tell me how can you learn this language so quickly, because I know before 7 months ago you did not speak in English even a single sentence, but now you are so fluently. How did it possible? How can you learn this language so quickly, so easily? Okay, so this is a question asked by my friend. So I think that why not create a video on this topic? How did I learn this language? Because everyone wants to know how to speak in English fluently, so why not I share my experience? And I hope this video will help you to learn this language very easily or very quickly. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you. So watch the video right till then. Don't skip the video. Okay, friends. So let's get into the topic. Okay, friends. So my today topic is that how did I learn this language? Okay. You know, first I would like to tell about me. My whole education. I mean to say, I completed my whole education throughout Hindi medium. I had never spoken English before making this video, before making this channel. Sorry. Okay, I had never spoken English before, creating this channel. But now, through this channel, I can speak in English. Not so good, but I am capable to express my thoughts. I am capable to say something in English which I want to express my thoughts. So I am capable. But how did it possible to learn this language so quickly? So what did I do to learn this language? First thing is that if you want to learn any new thing, so there are three things you need to follow. First thing is that attitude. Second thing is that knowledge, and third thing is that skill. You can easily simple for remember, you can say it ask attitude, skill, knowledge. So what is this ask? Ask means attitude. If you know to achieve any new thing, so you have to take a attitude challenge. Yes, I am going to learn this thing. Yes, I am going to reduce my weight. Yes, I am going to do this work. This is called attitude challenge. So first thing is that you have to take a attitude challenge. Yes, I took a attitude challenge. Yes, I am going to learn this language, no matter what. If I laughed about the people, I'm not worry. I'm not mind. If people laugh at my English, I'm not going to hurt them. Okay, I have to make my skin thick. Okay, so this is called attitude challenge. So I took a attitude challenge. Yeah, yes, next 100 days I am going to learn this language, no matter what. If people laugh at me, okay, don't worry, I never mind. If they mock of me, I never think about it. So this is called attitude challenge. Second thing is that knowledge. Okay, so first thing is that if you really want to learn any new skill, so you have to achieve some knowledge. So what is the knowledge for learning this language? some tenses, some noun, pronoun, verb, adjective. You know what is the verb, noun, pronoun, tenses, modal verbs. This is all about the knowledge and how to frame, how to make a structure, how to make a sentences in English, how to ask a question, how to give an answer, how to say no, how to say yes, how to express our thoughts in different situation. This is called knowledge. Now I have knowledge because I have learned this language um, with my mother tongue minimum 10 years. So even I am not from English medium school, but I have some knowledge. I had some knowledge about this language. So this is a knowledge. Now I want to turn this knowledge into the skill. I know everything in English, but I can't speak. So what is the main source to convert knowledge into the skill? So this there are four aspects. You know, if you really want to learn any language, so you have to learn four aspects. What are they? They are LSRW. L for L for learning, listening, sorry, L for listening, S for speaking, R for reading, W for writing. So you have to follow four aspect equally. So what is your skill? Your skill is you want to achieve skill how to speak in English fluently. So your skill is speaking. So you have to follow listening, speaking, reading. Three more for converting your knowledge into the skill. Okay, so there are four aspects. So I focused I used to focus four aspects equally. So first thing is that I took a 100-day challenge. Yes, 100 days I am going to learn this language no matter what. If people laugh at me, I never mind it. Okay, this is called attitude challenge. Knowledge, I collected some knowledge about noun, pronoun, verb, adverb and some tenses. So this is knowledge. And skill, I practiced every day on four aspects equally. Okay, so four aspects: listening, speaking, reading and writing. I practiced every day. For practice, by doing repeatedly practice, my knowledge convert into the skill. But how to do practice on four aspects? So in this video I am going to just share with you my experience. How did I do practice on four aspects? Okay, so first thing is this listening. Okay, I generally took this language as a language, more than. Okay, no more than. I took this language as a language and I followed all the principle which I learned which I followed on learning my mother tongue. I would like to ask you a question. How did you learn your mother tongue? How did you learn your mother tongue? Because at that time you were too small. You can't go school. You could not go school, college, any institute. But you learned your mother tongue. How did you learn your mother tongue? Why? Listening. So followed. I followed all the principle which I learned on my mother tongue. So first thing is that listening. I listened more and more English content. Not every content. Choose those content which you are interested in. This will help you. This will make you interested. Okay, so choose all the content which is in English and you are interested in. Okay, and listen more and more. If you listen one thing, then listen that thing 10 times, minimum 10 times. In this way, listen the same thing 10 times, because first time when you are listening, only meanings comes to you, and second, third, fourth, fifth time when you are listening, that means language will come to you, and listen till then it becomes a part of your memory. It is safe in your mind. So listening is very important. By listening, you can achieve your goal. Okay, so first thing is listening. Now speaking. You can watch my videos, my previous video. I am never ashamed by making video, because in those video I I was so humble. I was so, I was making so much mistakes. What I uploaded on YouTube, I never cut a single video. Okay, why? Because I don't want to earn any money from YouTube. My motive is uh, improve myself. If I do mistakes, so why you can't? Why are you thinking if I do mistakes so people laugh at me? कोई आपको जेल नहीं भेज देगा. Your motive is learning this language. Your not motive is to correct. Okay, after some times you will be correct automatically, but initially you have to take a step for learning this language, for speaking, because first thing is that speak out. It's not a motive to speak correctly. First thing is that speak out. Okay, correction is come to you automatically after using why again and again. You can automatically correct. Okay, so this is the second thing. First thing is listening, second thing is speaking. Now it comes to reading. Okay, reading is very important. Why? Because once you read every day, so your sentence structure will come to your mind. Okay, so you have to choose some sentences, not pick on vocabulary to learn and misuse your time. Pick some situational based some sentences which will help you. Okay, so choose some sentences and repeat it, speak out minimum 5 times. Okay, and think about where would I use these sentences. If you are going to, if I am going to the bed at that time, I assume that where would I use these 5 sentences. If I go to the school, so okay, in this way I can appreciate my colleague. In this way I can order my food. In this way I can, bring my thing. Okay, so always think about it. Take 5 sentences every day and learn it, and practice in it in your daily basis. Okay, so you can easily your knowledge will become skill. Okay, so now, first thing is that 100-day challenge, and second thing is that some sentences, collect some situational based sentences, and third thing is that use take this language as a language, nor more than it. Okay, and followed all the principle which I had followed while learning our mother tongue. Okay, so don't worry if you loved by people, so don't worry. I just share with you my experience. Okay, I don't never mind if I was making mistake in my initially video and I uploaded on YouTube, and you can see there was so many mistakes I have done. So don't worry, I never mind, because I am practicing in English. Okay, so if I can, so why can't you? So this is that in this way you can easily improve yourself, and in this way your hesitation will go away and your confidence level will come to you. Okay, so use all the principle which I shared with you in this video. Okay, take some situational based sentences which will help you to speak out in English. Okay, and now last thing is that don't uh, don't always time in feel inferior in fear that you don't speak in English. Okay, you can't speak in English, so don't feel inferior of it. Don't feel, it's just a language. Why are you feeling so inferior? Why don't mm, just take as a challenge. Yes, I can learn this language, I can learn this language, and I can speak in English fluently, because it is just a language, it is just a challenge. Can you not take a challenge? Yes, you can. Just take this challenge. Why are you thinking all the time that why this language is so much important? And there is two option always. First option is that you always think about why this language is so much important, and second thing is that I better learn it. Yes, I better learn it. Okay, so use all the principle which I shared with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.